A silicone milk collector can be a really helpful tool for some moms, especially in the early postpartum period. Many moms love using it to catch milk from the opposite breast while nursing and to build a small freezer stash over time. What's important to understand, though, is that a silicone milk collector isn't just passively collecting milk like many people assume. Because it uses suction, it actually removes milk from the breast more similarly to a manual pump than a simple milk catcher. When extra milk is removed regularly, your body may interpret that as increased demand and respond by making more milk. For some moms, that can be helpful. If you're working to increase supply, trying to collect extra milk intentionally, or dealing with a baby who only feeds from one side, a milk collector can absolutely have a place. But for moms who already have a full supply or are prone to oversupply, using strong suction can sometimes create challenges over time. For some women, this may contribute to engorgement, forceful letdown, frequent leaking, baby coughing or sputtering at the breast, gassiness or fussiness during feeds, clogged ducts or recurrent mastitis, or feeling constantly overfull. That doesn't mean a silicone milk collector is bad, it just means it's a tool. And like any breastfeeding tool, it works best when used intentionally and in a way that matches your feeding goals. A few tips and tricks. Use it for 5 minutes max, just long enough to catch a letdown. Break the suction gently before removing. Don't pull to prevent inflammation or excess pressure on the breast. Only use it on what I call the third breast. This is where you nurse on the first side, then latch your baby to the second breast, and put the milk collector on the side your baby already finished on. If your goal is simply to save milk that would otherwise leak into a breast pad, passive milk collectors may feel gentler and more comfortable for some moms. Options like the Milky's Milk Saver, Ladybugs, or shell-like collectors can collect leaking milk without actively pulling additional milk from the breast when used without suction.